So short and quick, just got a new Armattan rooster. I ordered it. I was in the process of building one, custom building one, about 2 months ago. Just finished configuring up a wizard and stuff with the hypertrain motors and stuff, and had all the KISS set up on it. Then I had a shop fire about 3 weeks ago. So, you know, I've been replacing all my stuff. I just got that rooster and a new Hero Session 5, you know, just adding on to the arsenal again. All my stuff, I had an alien, not a wizard, I had an alien custom build that burnt up, a rooster I was almost complete with, Harley shuriken I was flying on and off for about a year before I just finished that alien, and haven't quite finished the rooster, and now I got a new rooster. And protect your stuff, 50 cal case, lipo safe bags. They say it was a wall outlet that went out. I had a big arsenal of lipo batteries that I kept in 50 cal case, and a number of lipo safe bags, but you know, just the heat from the shop building probably ignited those lipos, and it was like a hot torch in there. That, and you know, I had one good part is, you know, the contents wasn't covered, but the building was covered. But I was able to make a claim on my motorcycle, and I went from a 2013 Wide Glide to a nice 2013 Screaming Eagle with the 110 in it. It was, you know, sometimes there's blessings in disguises, you know, hence my house here is dedicated to me last Veterans Day. And, you know, brand new house. You know, our other house was flooded out in Fisher, Texas, and we had you know, been living on limbo ever since, and that's why they put us up in here. But you know, we're flooded out. I never expected to catch a fire, but fires do happen apparently. Make sure you're covered. I had a couple crashes. I went all the way to the point where my last crash, I had my VTX camera completely flew out of the rooster along with the action cam, but the rooster is still good. You know, I've replaced a few props on it already. You know, everything's solid on this thing. I got a nick on one of the arms, but man, that thing's fucking solid. I love it. It's awesome. But hope you enjoy.
Everybody knows what they're looking for. The kind of body like some maybe more.
Thank you, God. Thank you. So sitting right over here. Oh, and it's hot.